Here I have Samsung Galaxy S9 and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using the list of all applications. Choose here settings. Now you have to scroll down and choose apps. From the apps, let's choose more key in that corner and select reset app preferences. So this will reset all preferences, including the disabled apps, notification restrictions for apps, default apps, background data restrictions for apps, permission restrictions. What's really important, you want to lose your existing app data. So if you would like to accomplish that operation, let's choose reset right here. And that's it, you just reset your app preferences. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.